Have you ever had trouble staying awake while working on an electronics project at 4 a.m. the night before it's due? Have no fear. The WakerBot 9000 will keep you working all day and night. The WakerBot 9000 detects when a user is asleep by means of an accelerometer here that also acts as a gyroscope. The accelerometer is attached to this custom headset that sits upon a user's head so that the accelerometer can measure when the user starts nodding off. The accelerometer data is then processed by an Arduino Uno, which powers a servo mounted up here. This servo then actuates a mechanical arm that delivers a slap to the user, effectively waking them up. The servo support structure was made out of recycled cardboard and duct tape. The servo itself was mounted to the support structure using mounting screws here and here. The mechanical arm consists of a 3D printed support, scrap aluminum metal, and an inflated glove to act as a hand.